This is a super easy trick for being able to leave voice comments on your Google applications for student feedback or instructions. So what you first need to do is go to Google and type in Talk and Comment extension. It's going to pop up like this. It has this little blue microphone icon. You will need to add that to Chrome and you should be able to see it in your right hand corner. But when you go into Google Classroom and any other Google application, you will be able to see that little voice memo on the right side of your screen that you can click on. And what that allows you to do is if you create an assignment or if you want to give feedback to students inside a Google assignment, you can actually click on that little voice memo guy. And then this is how you leave a voice comment or a memo for your students inside a Google application. It's going to think and give you a link for you to post. So I'm just going to post it right in here. And then when I post that, yes, please post, is going to put in a voice note for you that you can listen to. And then this is how you leave a voice comment or a memo for your students inside a Google application. Super easy, super cool, really easy to do.